What's the garage? Man, this kid, man, school, man, come on, man. Trying to sleep, man. Man.
Remember when we cooked the rice and he's like, you guys don't want that rice and
That's what he does. He like stands at the door for like an hour and then he doesn't say anything.
Just so Jeff Creed. Yeah.